top 3 rewards of desperation. Whatever you do in life, be it good or bad, you will get rewarded for it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mind Boss TV. Open your mind, change your world. I am Igobasi Chris, and in case you are new here, Mind Boss TV is a YouTube channel dedicated to help you and I use the power of the mind, our mind power, to create and achieve our dreams and aspirations, our desired lifestyle, the future that we want. Therefore, consider to click the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so that you get notified each time we post a new video. In today's video, top 3 rewards of desperation is in response to Mr. Perekime Moses Eden's comment on our previous video, Hushpuppi's Desperation, 2 lessons I have learned. I will put the link to that video in the description below. Go check it out. So every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. That's the 3rd law of motion in physics. Whatever you do in life, be it good or bad, you will get rewarded for it. If not in this life, it may be in the life to come. Even being desperate when you are anxious and eager to get something, either positively or negatively, you have a reward for it. You will agree with me that every one of us is desperate in one way or the other. Yes, we want to achieve our dreams and aspirations in life. It is desperation that makes you to stay focused, to stay disciplined, that makes you never to give up in your pursuit of your destiny, of your goals, your dreams and aspirations in life. So here are top 3 rewards for desperation. Number 1, achievement of your goals, dreams and aspirations. One great reward for desperation is that it helps you to achieve your dreams, your aspirations, your goals in life. When you are desperate towards achieving your goals, you will certainly achieve them, if only you do not give up. In fact, until you are desperate, you can't achieve your goals, your dreams and aspirations in life. Just like Hushpuppi, Magu, Akpororo, Tayoainafilms, Davido, and every other person you could think of or imagine. They were desperate towards achieving their dreams, and they've achieved it. Number 2, positive desperation gives rest or peace of mind. Yes, I totally agree with Mr. Perekime Moses Eden's opinion on the 2 top lessons of desperation. Positive desperation will indeed give you rest or peace of mind, something which every one of us craves for, right? When you are anxious and eager to get what you want in a legitimate way, either by doing business, as a student, as an entrepreneur, or even as a YouTube creator, whatever you do and you do it legitimately, you will have peace of mind. You won't be afraid of anything, be it EFCC or any other body fighting against corruption. You will not be chased by FBI of the United States of America or the police in Dubai. Mr. Akpororo, AY Comedy, Davido, all these guys, they have rest of mind today. Why? Because they are doing legitimate jobs. You and I know what they are doing and how they are making their own money. Mr. Tayoainafilms of Tayoainafilms. Tayoainafilms is a YouTube channel dedicated to telling beautiful stories about beautiful mansions, beautiful houses in Nigeria and in Africa. He is another great Nigerian, a Nigerian YouTube creator that is positively desperate, and he has rest of mind today. He has just been awarded by the YouTube community with a beautiful plaque for doing a very good job in Nigeria, in Africa, and reaching the 100,000 YouTube subscribers threshold. Congratulations, my brother. I can't wait to receive mine. That's why we always ask you to please subscribe to Mind Boss TV. Want to achieve these great things? Share our videos with your friends. We're doing a good job. We're trying to promote our very own. If we don't do it, nobody will help us do that. Meet Mr. Fidelis, another great Nigerian who is doing so good. He is very good at using zinc and aluminium to produce cooking pots, kettle, bathing bucket, even spoons. He is another great Nigerian who is positively desperate towards the pursuit of his goals, his dreams, and aspirations in life. Please, let's patronize, support, and encourage him. He's trying to grow his business. I just bought 2 pots, 1 kettle, and a spoon for my mother just to support him and encourage what he's doing. And that's exactly what we do at Mind Boss TV. We are trying to promote and encourage up and coming business men and women around our locality, around us. We have over depended on the international community for so long. Let's look inward. The solution to our challenges is within us, is inside of us. The time has come where we should support our own growing up and coming industries. His contact is on the screen. His goods can be shipped to anywhere in this country. Patronize him so that we grow his business. Congratulations to Miss Rebecca Nengi and all other 20 housemaids that are just gained access to the Big Brother Naija reality TV show Lockdown 2020. Rebecca Upson, popularly known as Nengi, was one time my student at a Divine International Comprehensive Academy, Bansha Yenegua, Bayelsa State. In those days where I used to be a teacher, I taught this lady back then in 2010-2011 before I moved higher in life. And today, she is in the house of the Big Brother Naija reality show. Bayelsans, my friends, Ijo Youth Council, this is an Ijo girl. Let's support her to make sure that she comes out with flying colors. My dear, the sky is not just going to be your limit, but it's going to be your starting point. At My Boss, we will do our best to bring you update of what is happening around Nengi in the house of Big Brother Naija Lockdown 2020. Number 3, negative desperation gives unrest or no peace of mind. Mr. Perekeme Moses Eden also said in his comment that negative desperation gives unrest, no peace of mind, and I totally agree with him on this. Negative desperation, when you are anxious and eager to get something on a negative way, in an illegitimate way, when you are desperate to achieve your dreams or goals and aspiration in life, but in an illegitimate way, either by scamming, defrauding, or stealing from others, stealing from public funds, stealing from money that is kept in your custody. You are doing such, you will not have peace of mind. You will not have rest of mind. No wonder the Bible confirms it that there is no peace for the wicked. Just like Hushpuppi today, he has no peace of mind. Why? Because he was negatively desperate. Today, he is still in FBI's net in the United States of America. He was arrested in Dubai in collaboration with Dubai's police and the Federal Bureau of Intelligence, FBI, of the United States of America, and since been transferred to America for further investigation and interrogation. Likewise, Ibrahim Magu of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, he is not having rest of mind or peace of mind. Why? Because he was also negatively desperate. He was in charge of the body fighting corruption in Nigeria, not knowing that he himself is corrupt. And in a country like Nigeria, you are fighting corruption and you are corrupt as well. And you think people will not dig deep into your life and your financial transactions? He forgot that he who must come to equity must come with clean hands. In Magu's case, he failed to come with clean hand. No wonder he was arrested and detained by the Department of State Security, DSS, for further interrogation and investigation. Another typical example of negative desperation is what happened in the National Assembly, where the acting managing director of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, the body shadowed with the responsibility of developing the Niger Delta area of Nigeria. The Niger Delta area of Nigeria is the area where oil is found in commercial quantity. And these guys were given the responsibility to develop this area, but on the other hand, they kept on diverting the fund for their selfish interest, mismanaging the funds of the commission. And today, Mr. Ponde was asked questions on why funds were mismanaged, and instead of answering them, he pretended to be fainting because you are scared of being questioned why you mismanage funds made for the development of an area, your own area for that matter. Please, what is really going on in this country? God help us. We need good leaders to change the scenario of things in this country. Things are really getting out of hand. Permit me to say this to the world, to Dubai and America. Please, Nigerians, we have good people. We are peace-loving people. We are talented. Today in Dubai, our young people can't be employed again because of what? One or two persons' attitude, one or two persons' character. There are people, good people out there that are doing legitimate work, and we are making waves. In London, a Nigerian owns Gatwick International Airport. What about the doctor in America that operated on the fetus? The baby that was born twice is a Nigerian. We have good people in this country. Few bad eggs amongst us does not mean we are bad people. Please, if you are desperate, be positively desperate. Pursue your dreams and aspirations in a legitimate way, not at the detriment of others. Let me conclude today's video on a very sad note. We at My Boss TV commiserate with the Nigerian Air Force and the Arotile's family over the demise of their daughter, Flight Officer Tolulope Arotile, that was knocked down by a car. Until her death, she was the first female pilot combat officer in the Nigerian Air Force. Indeed, this life no balance at all. We pray God to grant the Arotile's family and the Nigerian Air Force community the fortitude to bear this irreparable loss. May our gentle soul rest in peace. Should you have any comments about this video, me or anything else, please post it at the comment section of this video. Remember to subscribe to My Boss TV. It is free of charge. Like and share this video with someone. Thanks for watching and always being there. See you in the next video. God bless you. We love you.